Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, compound assignment with augmented addition. In programming, it is common to use assignments to modify the content of variable. Remember that everything to the right of equal sign is evaluated first. So we can say myVar equal to myVar plus 5 to add 5 to myVar. Since this is such a common pattern, there are operators which do both a mathematical operation and assignment in one step. One such particular is plus equal to operator, where myVar equal to 1, myVar plus equal to 5. Console.log myVar, it will return 6. So let's get to the task for this challenge. Convert the assignments for A, B and C to use the plus equal to operator, where A equal to 3, where B equal to 17 and where C equal to 12. So we have to convert this for use it like this, plus equal to operator. A plus equal to 12, and in this case 9 plus B, it is 9 plus B, so just we have to remove this and here we add plus, and a similar way C plus 7, remove it and add 7. So run the test. Okay. I have removed 7 instead of removing C. Silly me. So like this, now it should work. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.